In this lesson we will see if, else, if ladder and ternary operator. Let's look at first the else if ladder. If else ladder statement execute one condition from multiple statement. Syntax: if we have condition, if the condition is true, it will print the statement. If the condition is false, then it will check for a second condition. If the condition is true, it will print statement and controller will come out of block. If the condition false, then it will print the third condition and so on till last end condition. We can have end condition for else if ladder. So if all these condition false, then it will come to else part, and then the else part block will be execute by controller. So let's look at for flowchart for else if ladder. We are checking condition. If the condition true, it will print statement and outside the block controller will go. If the condition false, the second condition will check. If the condition true, it will print the statement and the controller will go outside of the block. Or if the condition false, up to n condition we can have in the else if ladder. So if for all condition all false, then the else part will be executed by the controller. Let's have an example for else if ladder. Consider the student grade marks. Let's open Notepad editor. Class, for example, student mark. Let's save file first. Desktop demo directory, name as a same as a class name, student mark.java. Public static void string integer, for example mark. So declare mark variable as an integer, assign some value, for example assign 65. So let's start the if condition. If mark equal to or less than 50, write a bracket as a block. So if the condition true, it will come inside the block, and it will print the statement, for example system student fail if the mark is less than 50, or if the mark is greater than 50, then the condition will be false. It will not go inside the block. So outside block it will check the other condition, else if mark, again check condition if mark is greater than equal to 50. and again mark equal to or less than 60. Then it will print the system print, for example, D grade. So if the condition false, then again we will check else if mark equal to 60, greater than or equal to 60, and less than 70. System.out.println, for example, B grade. Else if mark greater than equal to 70 and less than 80. D E grade, so C grade. Else if mark greater than equal to 80 and mark less than 90. A grade. Else if mark greater than equal to 90 and mark less than 100. A plus. Else invalid. Let's review the code. For example, we have mark 65. So if we are checking condition for mark, if the 65 is less than 50, so 65 is not less than 50, the condition will false. It will not print the inside block. It will come outside block and again it will check for the condition. So mark is greater than equal to 50. Mark is greater than equal to 50 and less than 60. So the first condition is true and the second condition is false. The mark is not less than 60. So the condition will false. It will not print this condition. It will come outside the block. So again it will check if the mark is greater than 60. Mark is greater than 60. The first condition is true. And the mark is less than 70. So 65 is less than 70. So the condition is true. It will come inside the loop, inside the if condition block. So the B grid will print. So for first it will print the C, and this will be the B. So it will print the C grid. So while it prints C grid, so it will controller will leave all this statement and it will come outside the all if block. So let's save and open the directory. Press shift key from keyboard and right click, open command window here. So to compile Java C student mark.java. So we don't have any error, we got the class file. So let's run Java student mark, press enter. So we have the C grade because we have 65, so 65 will be come on C grade. So if we have for example 85, so it will check all the condition. If the condition true, it will come the inside the block, or if the condition false, it will check again. So mark will from here we will check mark is greater than 70. Yes, the first condition is true, and mark is less than 85, less than 80, so the condition is false. It will not print this B grade. So let's check again. If else, if mark is greater than 80, yes, the first condition is true, and the second mark is less than 90, yes, the condition is true. It will print the A grade. So let's save again and compile once again. So the A grade.